In this video, we will learn A to Z, capital letters and small letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. तो ये थे लेटर्स कैपिटल एंड स्मॉल. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.